How to make YouTube play in the background.
This is like tick 10 of this intro.
What the heck does that even mean? Is that what we're talking about?
Yeah, we're going to show you how you can actually turn your phone off and have YouTube still be playing.
Oh, now, yes, let's talk about that. Okay.
So let's jump in and first talk about why would you want to do this.
I have a reason right now.
Yeah.
Well, I don't know if this has anything to do with what you're going to say, because we don't prepare. He does. He stays up till 2 a.m. I'm sleeping in another house. Not that there's anything wrong. Anyway, no. So so here's what I would want to do. Sometimes when I'm out jogging, I want to listen to music that's on YouTube. Or there is a talk thing or an Audible book or something that's on YouTube for me to listen to. Because people do that, right? But when you go to turn it off so that you can run with it in background mode, it doesn't play. Is that what we're talking about, basically?
That's what we're talking about.
Oh, good, okay.
Yeah, because typically when you're watching a YouTube video, but you then turn off your phone or close down your screen, the video stops. It goes
away,
yeah. It stops. So how can you get the YouTube video to keep playing in the background? Well, the secret is you've got to be paying for YouTube Premium. Oh. But it's worth it because you don't get ads.
I thought there was some huge hack. You want us to spend more money.
If you spend, it's like 10, I think it might have gone up 11 or 12 something dollars per month. The huge benefit, the reason that I pay for that is when I go to YouTube, I don't see ads. I don't see ads.
Yeah.
Isn't that huge?
Yeah.
Do you see ads when you go to YouTube?
Of course. Well, one of us has to, because that's why we're telling people to be on YouTube, is because advertisers pay money.
Well, here's the thing. You think that if we make money through AdSense through the millions of views we get on these videos, then
yeah, keep going.
Not on this channel.
Right. Okay. All right. Yeah.
But with the hundreds, the tens of dollars we make on this channel through advertising, if somebody is a YouTube Premium subscriber, then we'll actually get a higher amount per view than they would if they saw ads.
Oh,
so it actually doesn't hurt the creator. Anyway, that's a topic for another conversation. But
that's how you keep it on in the background. Is you've got to be a YouTube Premium.
So when you're a YouTube Premium subscriber, you then have the YouTube app, and I can even demonstrate how you do this.
Okay.
That it works. I mean, so if I open up YouTube, let's see what comes up here. All right, how to make a floating fountain. If we wanted to listen to this while we run. All right, so I can't actually show you the screen here because I'm going to unplug it. When I record the screen, the audio doesn't pick up. So let's just try it from here. I hit play.
Self is holding the faucet up. To get started, we're going to need a small submersible water pump, a spigot.
So the video is playing. Now watch this.
Looks like it's a garden hose attachment.
I turned it off.
Outer diameter.
And it's still on.
This is rigid tube.
It's amazing.
This one's acrylic. You might be able to find
it's playing. Is this the back? If we put it back here, now it's playing in the background.
That is terrible. That was the whole payoff right there. That's the punchline.
That's how you get YouTube videos. So you could turn YouTube in kind of like a podcast or like an audiobook where you're just listening to the audio while you're running. Yeah. Something like that.
That's exactly what I need.
But you do need to.
But I have to pay for it.
Yeah, you need to pay for it, and then keep in mind that YouTube, running in the background, it does keep running. So when a video stops, you know how YouTube will automatically cue another video or whatnot. So if you want a playlist, but if you're not intending for this to happen, sometimes it can surprise you. So just come in here and turn off the YouTube app, and then that way it's not playing in the background.
Well, there you have it. Another ingenious Nate life hack.
Ingenious and Nate. Those words always come together. I love that.
Those are words people are searching. Ingenious Nate.
Well, be sure to subscribe, like the video, share it with your family and friends, your grandma, and we'll see you tomorrow.